At the beginning of the year, I created a vision board, but it hasn't been so visual. I took a drawing book, alafu nikaeka everything that I wanted that time, nikaziweka. But most of the stuff sijakuwa nikiziona, so like I've not been visually manifesting nini. I've not been seeing it because imefunikwa. So I want us to create a vision. I know the August date 8, as I'm currently shooting 8/8. My friend's birthday, Michelle. Guys, spam the comments, ambieni Michelle happy birthday. Hata kama nitapost video date, is it the 10? Yeah, I'm gonna post this video on the 10. But ambieni Michelle happy birthday. Show some love, okay? So I want to create a vision board. Okay, it's a DIY one, pia. So basically, I have this box. Nililetewa nayo nini vitu za Urban Bite. Kuna time nilifanya video ya clips. Alafu nikawin and nikapewa box full of snacks nini. But then nilifanyanga pia ya Floydies and they never got to give me the box. I don't know. Whatever, man. So nimekata box, nimekata kapisi kamoja. So this is what we're gonna use as my vision board. Alafu kikuja next year tutaenda China Square, we get like a board yenye like we can reuse, okay? But for today I'm inventing my own vocabulary. For now we're gonna use this box. Yes, na nitaiweka hapa. Nitaihang. Yes, I wanna be seeing it every single day. Hey. Yes. So I have manila paper, I have a white one and a blue one. Nitashikanisha, nitengeneze hii stuff kwanza, and then afterwards nitaonyesha sasa tuweke utupicha kwa hii kitu. Let's do that. I'm excited. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 15,000 subscribers. And guys, yes. There's something good is coming. Something good is coming. You can feel it. I can feel it. It's going to be easy if I use my desk for all that. So let me clear my desk really fast. Do it while you guys are seeing me, but let's fix background. Lazima ikuwe inakaa started. See? But nataka I can actually sit. I think that's, yeah. No, that looks okay. Hey, I just received the most weird like phone call ever. But it's funny. Oh my god. Hiki tu inanibo na hii masking tape imekataa kufunguka. Sasa mnajua in a few nitakuwa niko na two cameras za kushoot. Actually nitanunua okay, the universe is going to give me nitakuwa natumia Osmo Pocket 4 and maybe my phone ama iPhone 17 Pro Max. Sasa hii masking tape mtu mwanzo iko wapi? Cause I can't feel it. Na unaona nini hiyo phone nimeiona. Sa naona sa hiyo phone nataka the titanium one, the white one. Is it white ama ni titanium ama ni silver? That one. That is the one I want. Kadogo. Nimekata vibaya ya white. Itabidi tutumie ya blue. I think I need to get the dimensions. Like Actually, there's one issue with me. I'm this kind of person that is actually accurate, want things to be accurate. So there is 30 minus 11, that's 10, 19. 19 plus 19. 19 plus 19, that's 38. 38 plus 2, that's 40. I need 40 centimeters by 38 plus 17. 38 plus 17. Mbona akili yangu ifanyi 38 plus 17? That's mbona nina minus 5. 55 centimeters. 55 by 40. Let me start with this side. Actually, sijui mbona simu iliacha kurecord. I have no idea. I think ilianza kupigwa. That's why I totally need a camera. Because, you know, camera haiwezi pigwa iache kunini. Juu nilikuwa na record na back camera. Alafu sasa naenda kuangalia. Napata process hata nilikuwa nishaanza. Hata haiko. Kona kazi. But once I get there, once I get every single thing on this nini, I know most of the stuff hata hapa sijapata. But it's just a matter of time, eh? Tuko August, September, October, November, December. Miezi 4 ni miezi mingi sana. The year is not yet over. Let me make these look better.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
Alright, so zile za kitambo ni hizi. Ni mingi. Guy, I have all these visions. Nasikuwa naziona, like kama nilikuwa nimezilock somewhere. And now nilikuwa nishaanza na the faith aspect. I wanna be more believe more in God, because manze sijakuwa nikibelieve in God sana. I come from a background where people believe in God. Mpaka niko like, guy, kwani mimi nilikosea wapi? But I don't think that should actually be defining whatever I see myself. Kuna vitu fulani nilikuwa nimeka last time and nataka kuzitoa cause like I don't think I'm seeing that right now. I'm seeing something even better. Let me see where it is. Na hizi vitu zitatosha kwa hii? Hey, uko wapi CBK? Oh yeah, so I wanted to work in CBK and Safaricom, but I don't know. I'm seeing bigger. I'm seeing Google, Amazon. I'm seeing bigger, cause yes, I can get it. I don't know. I just wanna throw this away. I was manifesting to work in Safaricom, CBK in Kenya. I don't know, let me put them there because I don't see myself there. I see myself in big companies, not Safaricom. Okay, Safaricom is a big company, but let me aim global. Aki hizi vitu ni mingi, sijui kazi itatoshea kwa hii stuff. and I have more. Sa sijui tukue na front page na back page. I think we can do that. Because ikitu nitaiweka in such a way that I can even flip it back way. Okay, huku nyuma nitaweka the other one. Aya, so this was for Faith. Should I also put this one there? This aspect. Iya kwanza hapa ini Faith. I'm also gonna put this one here. And then next itakuwa nini? Next itakuwa manifesting kufikisha 100 every single nini. I'm actually, unaona kitambo, I used to be afraid of saying whatever I want out loud. Nikijiambia eti nikisema ita jinx. Nakwambia nikisema ndo ninaamini. Iko wapi hiyo 100 hiyo ingine? Acha nizipange hapa so that I see them and then I be capable of just picking them. Oh, alafu pia I wanted these for my kitchen. I feel it's too low class. I don't want these in my kitchen. And also nilikuwa nimeandika work. So like it means I have to work to get money. No, money comes to me even when I'm sleeping. Anytime. Like, yo, girl, that time I wasn't believing in myself the way I'm believing in myself right now. I'm gonna do big things in this world. Okay. Look at how this looks. I'm making my vision board. Told ya I was gonna turn.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all.
Alright, so nimemaliza the first side. Inakaa hivyo. I'll fix this one and then I'll come show you the results of the vision board. I already love it. Guy, alafu iko na my favorite colors. Kwanza the blue. Blue is actually my favorite color and there's a chance for something here. Acha to fix haka hapo katikati. To make sure lazima nipate hii Osmo Pocket. Oh. Acheni nimalize hii side nyingine and then I'm gonna come and show you. Alafu tutai revise. Inakaa poa. I love it. Guys, I'm finally done with my vision board. This is the first page and this is the second page. Although now I'm gonna hang it this way. I'm gonna hang it. And then huku kwingine nitakuwa ninapindua hivi ndo nione, because this is the top side and this is the down side. Huku chini, like the bottom side. Huku chini nimeandika like specifics of whatever I want. Yes, because like I didn't have a lot of pictures for the back page. I decided to improvise it and use it for getting specifics. The specific one is for the house that I want, because I want to move out. I want to get out of this place and go to a better one. I have specifics. Hizo nitawasomea when we are moving out. Yeah. Alafu, on this front page, I can tell you guys that the most conspicuous one is this one. Yes, is this one. Like 100k on Instagram. Can I do it? Yes. How many subscribers do I have on Instagram? I have 17k. Barely 2%. Ni 2 ama ni 20. 20% of whatever I want. And how many months do I have? I have 4 months before the end of the year. And yes, this is my vision board. This is my vision board. I'm so in love, and I'm gonna hang it here. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, those that wanna take a screenshot of whatever. It's my vision board. That's what I want. And then sasa kupindua, like nitakuwa napindua hii side hivi. You get? Yeah, actually hapa panakaa vibaya, but not that bad. It's not that bad. Nitaeka kakitu hapo. I'm gonna look for a flower or something niweke hapo juu so that ifunike how that side looks. We're done with this video. Did I say that I'm gonna show you in specifics? Nah, I lied. I'm gonna show you once every single thing comes to reality. As in Ama at the end of the year when we are gonna be, oh my god, I love seeing this. Now I can see what I want. Yeah, there's some things that I didn't used to believe that I can get here, but right now, whatever frequency I'm vibrating, I'm taking too much content on the atmosphere, on the universe, and the vibrations thing. I think that's what's making me to make bold moves, because without it, the previous me couldn't believe in myself more. So I'm learning how to believe in myself and dream big. The universe is so generous. So take advantage of that and ask for whatever you want from the universe. You're gonna get it. Trust me, you'll get it. See you in the next one. Bye. People, I look for you. Okay, so I basically off camera I made this flower. It definitely looks better, right? Nitawafunza how to make it. If you comment down below you want to learn how to do the flower. But for real, this time it's a bye from me. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next one.